Hi, are you looking for a modular kitchen? You're at the right place. We at a design Indian kitchen have the largest manufacturing unit across Delhi NCR, and we have delivered 1000 plus wardrobes and kitchens till now. Let's get connected today with our designers and get your kitchen done. We have the most top-notch material with good affordable prices. We have our kitchen tastes good. Today we have recently installed today we have installed this kitchen which is in Civil Lines, Delhi. This is a L-shaped kitchen with a finish of acrylic 2 mm thickness, which is like Italian shutters we have used over here with the carcass finish. The core material we have used is HMR, which is a waterproof and termite proof solution for your cabinets. And I'm just going to give you a walkthrough for the entire kitchen, what we have in store for you and how can we probably plan the couple of things over here. So let me give you a walkthrough. So this one is a sink cabinet which we have with the auto lids bin in the cabinet, and this one is a big bowl SS finish sink we have. And under sink we have also installed a under sink RO, which is the tab is, and this one is a tap basically for your water, direct water. And this cabinet it's in dish rack which is GTPT, and you can over plan, like यहाँ पे आप अपनी सारी plates रख सकते हैं. This one is a drip tray जिसमें आपका सारा पानी collect होता है, and you can probably take out and wash off the water. And also we have installed gola profiles, like black gola profile in the cabinets, just to give a premium feel. Coming over here, so this corner has a lemons corner, which is a S corner also called. This comes with a deco base on the base and with a satin finish on edges. This comes with completely finished, and you can accommodate your 4 to 5 utensils, like big utensils you can accommodate in this unit. The hinge we have used is Hetic soft close. So there was a dead corner we have over here with the pillar, because so we have just accommodate a single storage shelf for your trays, your organizers can be kept. Coming over here, this one is a premium feel glass with a black glass and black aluminum frame. If you can see over here, so we have used most probably a black feel in the gola profile as well as on the aluminum shutters finish. So this have a shelf unit. Coming over here, this is a base unit which has a combination of 2 drawer unit. Comes with a stylo finish, like the fitting we have used is stylish, which is an imported fitting we have in store. And this comes with a base deco base sheet. This is another pot and pan drawer we have for you. So this is a wall cabinet with double door shutter unit, which accommodates your maximum storage for your wall cabinets. The internal finish also can be changed. This is the laminate finish, like fabric finish we have used over here. And the shutter finish, if you see, there's a 2 mm thick acrylic we have used, which is from Italian. These are imported shutters we have used from Italian company. Over here we have installed a sensor chimney which goes like this, and for covering the chimney panel we have covered like this panel with this. Underneath we have 4 burner unit with the fiber brand. There's a 3 drawer unit we have under here. One accommodates your maximum storage of cutlery. Then another one goes with your regular drawer, which accommodates your couple of things you can organize, and cup and saucers as well. So this one is a pot and pan drawer from a brand Stylish. As you can see, the fitting of Inotech we have uses is stylish. Coming over here, so this is a 2 pot and pan drawer with a front of 500 mm. And they are all soft close, so if you see, there's no as such noise, you can see. So coming over here, so this is another shelf unit which accommodates the dividing of shelves, so probably you can adjust the height of as well. And the fabric internal finish we have uses fabric finish from merino laminate. This one is a grain unit which one organizes your chakla belan, probably and masalas as well. Then second accommodates your maximum storage of your atta and rice drum, like as you can see we have placed a rice drum. Coming over here, so this one is a tall unit which accommodates your maximum storage. Coming over here, so this one is a normal storage unit, we can probably plan our open box. This one is a micro space and this is an oven space. So probably if the client wants later on to install this as a built-in unit, we can also go for this. Coming over here on the base unit, there's a 2 wicker basket we have installed for their aloo piyaz to be kept. So if you see over here, we have also, to give them maximum utilization, we have added couple of lofts to the entire kitchen over here. Then this portion is a different portion, as the client wanted to have a appliance section for their personal appliances to be used or a coffee counter to be planned. So this we have created for them as a coffee counter as well as for the appliance counter they can use. So certainly if you see, there's a multiple organizers they can have. Then this comes with a shelf unit, pantry unit which accommodates your maximum storage with a 5 dividing of shelves, and this can be installed with a profile lighting given over here. All the hardware we have uses Stylish for the Inotech and hectic hinges for the shutters. So this one is a shelf storage unit we can have for the maximum storage, and above we have installed again a shelf unit for the maximum storage. So if you see, the color tone we have uses beige and white, yet the client wanted to have a neutral tone in their kitchen. So if you see, the flooring has been kept designer concept and the wall tiles we have used is Satvario feel, and the white cabinet as well as beige cabinet goes minimalistic look for the entire kitchen. Thank you. Hi, I have Miss Nidhi who owns this kitchen in Civil Lines, Delhi. So hi Nidhi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Yeah. So how was the total experience with designing a kitchen, and how was the timeline going on through the project? Also, would you like to recommend us to anyone?
Overall, it was nice and great experience, and I'm totally satisfactory with this design kitchen and team and all. Yeah, definitely, I will recommend the design kitchen to my friends and.
Thank you. Thank you so much.